Hi, my name is Steele, the National Sales Manager at Kilgore National, coming to you from inside our training center. If you like the video, be sure to hit like, subscribe to get all of our future content. And today we're going to be discussing the features of the AM-4 simulation system. All right, first thing we're going to do is go over all the components that's going to come when you order AM-4 simulation system. So you're going to have your FRP head. It's right here. It's going to come along with the buckle plates. Now, if these aren't installed, super easy to do. All you need to do, 1, 2 screws, Phillips head screwdriver, ready to go. The next thing you're going to have in your package is going to be a rubber mask. Okay, tell with Velcro. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then you're also going to have your D95 SDP 200 series model. It has a pink silicone tissue, all 32 teeth, sits into occlusion. You're also going to have this hole right here in the articulator, which is going to go over the mount, which we'll talk about in a minute. And then the last thing you're going to have is the mount of your choice. Now, if you click the link below in the description, you can check out all of our mounting options. We have a video on there we've already done before, but for all intents and purposes, we're going to use a CVM3A to discuss how we're going to set it up on a dental chair. All right, now we're going to talk about how to install your AM-4 Manikin system onto an ADEC dental chair. So this is an ADEC dental chair, as I mentioned, but any dental chair that has a headrest that's going to slide up to expose that flat metal glide bar will work out perfect. And again, you choose the mount, so check out the link in the description. You can view our mounting videos, because you can go onto a tabletop dental chair, you can even strap around dental chair, do whatever you want to do. But for this demonstration, we're going to show how the CVM3A works. So what you want to do is you want to have a little bit of clearance. Take this black adjusting knob, turn it back. You have a little bit of clearance here so you can get inside that glide bar. And I also like to give it a little bit of a quarter turn and then move this rod out just a little bit. So go ahead and attach this on. Once you attach it on, go ahead, take that adjusting wheel and adjust that knob right down so it's snug right onto the dental chair. So now we're locked into place. The next thing we're going to do is take your D95, type it on. Okay. You want to make sure this hole is clear, so back up that wing nut right here to make sure this hole is clear so you get enough clearance to place right over top of the mount. Now there is a flat portion of this mount, which we'll discuss in a little bit, but that's where you want to tighten all your wing nuts to. So for now I'm going to put the model lower than I want on here, just so we can install on the FRP head of the buckle plates. So now we have this, we go ahead, and you'll actually see again, we're backing up the wing nut, reversing it back to clear out this hole right here. So once this hole is cleared out, all we have to do now is you will slide it on top of the mount and you'll actually hear it stop that stopper plate. So once you hear that, you know you've gone just far enough. Go ahead and you want to tighten that wing nut now to the back of that flat portion of the glide bar. Once we do that, we take this model, we go ahead and we slide it up. Now that we're slid up into place, again, we're tightening that back down. Now, before we move on, what we want to do is we want to get the DP lock in place. This is what holds the jaw open for you. So all you have to do is you slide this DP lock up, let the model fall just like that. Once the lower jaw falls, DP lock will rest right on top, tighten down to the flat portion, and you're all set to go. Now the last part is just attaching on the rubber mask. Super easy to do, Velcro system. Peel right off, slide it over top. Go ahead and make sure the nose is in the right place and the chin. Once you are all set there, all you're going to do is just simply tighten it like this. Now the Velcro is put in place. You can tighten it back down once we get in the correct position, and now we're all set to go. All right, so we're going to talk about the system function. So I want to get a nice close-up shot here so you can see how the back of this looks in the AM-4 system. Now, earlier I discussed the FRP head and the stopper plate. So that stopper plate is actually right here. So this is what basically says, hey, we've gone down far enough. This is where exactly where we want to be. So once you hit that stopper plate, you'll hear it, and then you're ready to go. You want to go ahead and tighten this wing nut down to the flat portion of the bar. There's only one flat portion. So once you're on here, you tighten the wing nut down. And again, you see how the wing nut's been tightened down for the model and also for the DP lock. So again, flat portion of the bar, this is where everything's tightened down on, and then you'd be ready to go. All right, now we're going to talk about how the CVM3A mount functions with the AM-4 system. So now remember, the mount doesn't come with the AM-4 system on the website, so you want to be sure to check out the description, click on the link, and go ahead and check out our mounting options video so you choose one that best fits your needs. So CVM3A mount goes on the glide bar dental chair or onto the tabletop. The nice part is super easy to function. All you have to do is just give a quarter turn to this handle. Now we can go a side-to-side movement. We can go chin up, chin down. You know, once we get in the correct position that you want to work in, all you have to do is go ahead, give a nice quarter turn, and you're gonna be rock solid on this mount. I hope you enjoyed the video on our AM-4 simulation mannequin. Be sure to like the video if you like the video, hit the subscribe button to get access to our future content, and we'll see you next time.